Brandon here, and today I do want to do an unboxing video. I bought something from a website called AliExpress, and did you know it took like a month to get it if you order something? Like, okay, so you order something from AliExpress, and it's like processing from like, okay, the one I got is from Japan, and it's taking that to over to USA until all of a sudden they had it in the customs for a whole freaking month. Until one day I did get a notification saying that it's finally been processed, it's been shipped, and then until I finally got it. And you might be wondering, what did I order? I ordered Dragonball Legos. Well, they're not actually Legos, they're like off-brand, like Mega Blocks, for example. So let's get the, as you can see here, they're in there. So let's get to the reviewing and unboxing. And actually I got a bunch of them, like a packs of them. So I'm gonna do one by one of them, and let's get to it. Okay, the first thing we got is Xeno Super Saiyan 4 Broly. And check this out. This does not look cool. It comes with, like, I believe this is meant to be his Ki Blast attacks. It comes with an extra hand, and I have no idea what this is. It looked like Cookie. Oh, it's a Dragon Ball. It's like I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's the 1-star Dragon Ball. Alright. On to the next one. And we have his Xeno Super Saiyan Bardock. And it's pretty good. I get more Ki Blast, extra hand, and we got, like, I believe this is a 3-star ball. Really nice. The next thing we got is Xeno Vegeta with his, I don't know what this is. I believe he's meant to like hold it and be like maybe it's some type of attack or something, or sword or whatever. And we got the 5-star Dragon Ball. Next we got is the Xeno Super Saiyan Rose Goku Black, which is pretty much so far one of my favorite ones. It's pretty nice. And it comes, I believe this is supposed to be his blade, and I think that was what Vegeta has. I think that was meant to be Goku Black's blade. And we got the 4-star Dragon Ball. Next we got the Xeno Super Saiyan God Future Trunks. I mean, it's pretty good. He even have his sword when you can take it off, he can hold it. Oh, there we go. And we got the 7-star ball. Next thing we got is Commte from also Dragon Ball Heroes. Pretty good. He has also more Ki Blast extra hand, and we got the 2-star Dragon Ball. Next we got is Turles, which also another one of my favorites. Look at that, he got scatter and that's everything. More Ki Blast, more hand, and he got the 6-star ball. Next thing we got is Xeno Goku, and he has his power pole. And this is by far one of the coolest Goku outfits he ever had. Comes with more accessories, extra hand, and he got the 4-star ball, which is fun fact. This is the 4-star ball that was given to him by his grandfather, Grandpa Gohan. Next we got Android 18 in her pink jumpsuit. I mean, I don't know what it is, but basically she wore this in the turn of power. She has the 1-star ball, And more accessories, an extra hand. And we have Android 17 in his Ranger's outfit. Pretty nice. Also, we got some more key blasts and extra hand. And he also, some reason, got the 1-star Dragonball as well. Next we got is Hit from Universe 6. I mean, I'm pretty sure this part right here is supposed to be like his cloak or his skirt, whatever it was. Anyways, it's pretty cool. Again, more effects on the arm, and he has the 6-star ball. And we have Super Saiyan God Goku. Pretty basic, pretty nice. More effects, an extra hand, and I have no idea what these are, but I don't know where they even go, so I just leave them there. And he has the 4-star Dragon Ball, like his Xeno counterpart. And next we have is another one of my favorite characters, Kefla. And she also has the 5-star ball. And here we have Super Saiyan God Vegeta, which I think by far, I believe Super Saiyan God Vegeta is like one of my favorite types of Vegetas of all time. Comes with an extra armor to layer of his armor. More effects, his extra hand, and he also has the 2-star, just the 2-star ball. Next we got Merged Zamasu, and he comes with a blade just like Goku Black, and an extra hand, and he also has the 7-star ball. And lastly, we got Full Power Jiren. Just look how the way he's all powered up and shirt ripped off. And here comes these effects, an extra hand, and he also has the 3-star ball. And just like that, guys, I am building all the figures that come in the package. And you're gonna wonder who are my favorites out of these? It's pretty easy. It's Turles, Xeno Goku Black, and Kefla. Well, it's almost around here, and hope you guys liked the video, and make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. And also, I want to point out that we're closer to our 200 video, and also 700 subscribers. So I will make a video to celebrate my 200 video. So make sure you guys please like, subscribe, and share. And hit the bell for notifications. This one's right here. Lego, I'm out.